talk about in this environment that we're in is your medical resources. It can seem like in today's world that you're having less access to medical resources. If you really think about it, they really haven't changed that much, because how often do you really go to your doctor? How often do you really go to the ER? Actually, I'd probably argue maybe if you have gone to therapy, it's probably the most medical exposure you're going to get. But medical providers have pivoted really quickly, just like us, to make sure to give people the resources they need. And actually, I'd say that right now your resources are increasing. Medical providers are at home. They're putting out videos like this. They're doing more research articles. They're doing more blogging. They're putting all this stuff out there as much as you can. So you do want to take advantage of it. Take the time to read. You have time to do it most likely right now because we're all social distancing like we should. So you want to take advantage of this time where medical resources are actually increasing. Your doctor is probably sitting at home or sitting in his office waiting for you to call. Call them. Talk to them. CVS, Walgreens, all the pharmacies, they also have resources that are ramping up to help you answer your questions. Even your insurance companies, you check on the car, they're waiting for people to ask questions. And then, utilize your phone. Sometimes people give, Dr. Google a hard time, but I would argue that people that are doing that are actually taking the first step to educate themselves on issues that they don't have answers for. And that's okay. You may not always find the right thing on Google, but search for the people that can give you the answers that match up to what you know is going on, to what you see on Google, and what is truly right. So make sure to take that step. So take the time right now to kind of really research your resources. Call people, call your doctor, call your physical therapist, email them, text them. They're sitting around waiting to help you, and these resources will also be there afterwards. Get used to this time, because I do think in the future medical care is going to go this virtual route anyway, just due to cost, time, availability. And the more you get used to it now, the more you have more resources in the future to make faster, better decisions, and also most likely save money in the long term. Hope this helped you out, and make sure to call your medical provider if you need to.